student here at Babson, graduating in 2013. After graduation, I'll be joining the leadership development team at ThermoFisher.
My name is Susan Roberts, and I'm a second year in the full-time Babson MBA program. I'll be graduating in May of 2013. After graduation, I'll be joining GE in their Experienced Commercial Leadership Program. It's a 2-year leadership rotational development program focused on marketing.
I actually leveraged Babson in 2 ways. One was through BCAP, which is the Babson Consulting Alliance program. It basically is in your second semester of the first year where you serve as a consultant, basically for clients that come on campus. And that was really a valuable experience to really talk about as employers are really looking at leadership ability as well as your how well you can collaborate with others. And then the second way that I was able to leverage Babson was by being part of a team, a club rather. So I'm actually the chair of the Babson Healthcare Club, and so we're running a forum, and so I was able to highlight my experience, sort of, how the process was and how to build team rapport and then how to execute.
Because I was a career changer, I knew that getting real work experience in marketing was important for me. I leveraged the Babson MBA BCAP program to land a marketing consulting project at Bright Horizons. During the summertime, I interned at Mama Foods, a Babson MBA graduate's business, and we launched a quinoa cereal in 150 Whole Foods nationwide. This past fall, I was at Dunkin' Brands working in the Corporate Social Responsibility Department, and all 3 of those experiences provided tangible marketing experiences for me to leverage for my GE interview. Coming to Babson, I was eager to get involved in many of the student clubs. I took on a leadership position with the Babson Association of Women MBAs and currently serve as the president of this club. I'm also the president of Net Impact, an organization that uses the tools of business for social, environmental, and economic impact. I've also been involved with the Entrepreneurship Forum on campus and helping to get sponsorships from local companies.
My future employer, I believe, hired me because I have a lot of passion and energy, which I think comes through immediately. Second of all, I was really able to take the specifics into my resume and bring it into the real world experience. So if they asked me a point on my resume or if they asked me a question, I was able to really give a concrete example, which then gives me a little bit more credibility, and then then being able to reflect on that as well. And thirdly, I think I'm really interested in the industry. I think I love science and I love business, and a way to merge it, I was really excited about the company, and so I think for those 3 reasons is the reason why I got hired.
I believe that GE hired me for my passion for GE's businesses, as well as my demonstrated leadership during my time at Babson, and my marketing experience that I brought to the company.
How I see myself applying Babson's mantra of entrepreneurial thought and action into the corporate world is actually very relevant. So before I came to Babson, I thought that an entrepreneur was someone that's going to do their own thing, not work for a corporation, and really build their own startup. However, what I found after having gone through the 2-year program is it's really just about thinking differently. It's about bringing a new vision, a creative idea, a new way to look at problem solving to a company's current challenges. And so I'm going to find with my new leadership role that this is so relevant in this world, and to really look outside the box and not to use the past solutions, because there might be a different way, because the world is constantly changing. I mean, innovation is happening every day, and there's different solutions to the current challenges as well as old challenges, so I really feel that this is going to be a great opportunity in the future, and Babson really helped develop that.
Babson has given me many opportunities to make an impact on campus. I've been able to see an opportunity, garner the resources, and mobilize people to make things happen. I look forward to taking this entrepreneurial thought and action approach to GE and making an impact within the workplace and beyond.